The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (ZEC) has reinstated the Opposition Citizen Coalition for Change (CCC) Member of Parliament Constance Chiwota following a High Court order. Achipere mushemu reZimbabwe tichiona kuti one of the record CCC MPs retained in Parliament. Sanambira mashoko anobuda nyongwa panapa muni andodobva subscribe like out on the bell icon. Tipina wanyira vachiti the honorable member had been erroneously recalled by a sponsoring party on 7th November 2023. She is a member of the National Assembly by virtue of Section 124 and of the Constitution. The public therefore informed that no vacancies exist among party list members of the National Assembly following the said order. Read the notice by ZEC Chairperson Justice Priscilla Chigumba. Chiwota, among other CCC members, had fallen victim to controversial parliamentary and local government recalls that were initiated by Singzo Chabangu, the shadowy CCC Secretary General, soon after the 2023 harmonized general elections. This CCC legislator Constance Chiwota ndiye mumwe vakarikola nana Singzo Chabangu, but kuna kuti ZEC inomurinsta yomuti ngadzokere muparliament. Aminoti reason yavo yanga iri yei vachidiscussa ndizvi, but kuona kuti she is one of those guys vakarikolewa naSingzo Chabangu. Votudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinai comment section medu, musanga no subscribe like